Hey beautiful souls, today we will be going over the reverse plank. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Jasmine. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to get updates on my newest videos. The reverse plank is a whole body strength exercise that works your core, lower back, arms, shoulders, hamstrings, and glutes. It engages the hip abductors, hip adductors, hip flexors, and the lumbar spine, which can help you maintain a healthy posture, help you lose weight, and build a stronger core. So if you're looking for a yoga pose that improves your core strength and corrects and maintains your posture, this is the video for you. So let's begin. You will start sitting on the floor with your legs extended in front of you. Place your palms on the floor, slightly behind your body on the outside of your hips. Make sure your fingers are spread out wide. Then press into your palms and lift your hips and torso towards the ceiling. Keep your neck in line with your body, looking up towards the ceiling. Point your toes and keep your arms and legs straight. Your entire body should form a straight line from your head to your toes. Engage your core and pull your belly button back towards your spine. Now we are going to hold this pose for 1 minute and remember to keep breathing. Beautiful. Now to get out of the pose, lower your hips and torso back down to the floor into a seated position. And that is how you do a reverse plank pose.